Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been following the rise of AI in content creation, you know how exciting it is to see technology that makes it easier to bring our ideas to life. But what if I told you that now, you could create a full talking AI avatar that looks incredibly realistic and can speak as if it were a real person? Today we're going to show you how to do that with two powerful tools, Leonardo AI and DupDub. And, spoiler alert, these tools are better than some of the well-known platforms out there, like HeyGen and Synthesia. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, educator, or just exploring AI, these tools will let you create highly professional, lifelike avatars for your projects without needing expensive equipment or years of animation skills. So, if you've ever dreamed of having a virtual spokesperson or a digital assistant, stick around because I'm about to show you how. Let's start by understanding what exactly a talking AI avatar is. A talking AI avatar is a digital character that can be programmed to speak, respond to inputs, and interact with audiences through speech, gestures, and facial expressions. These avatars can be used for everything from YouTube videos and online courses to marketing campaigns and customer service. Talking AI avatars use technologies like deep learning, speech synthesis, and lip syncing to create realistic movements and voices. And the best part, you don't need any advanced technical knowledge to use them. In fact, today's tools like Leonardo AI and DupDub have made it so easy that anyone can create these avatars in just a few minutes. Let's kick things off with Leonardo AI. This platform is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to generating lifelike avatars. What I love about Leonardo is the level of customization it offers. You can create avatars from scratch, upload your own images, or select from a variety of pre-made characters. What makes Leonardo AI stand out is its attention to detail. You can adjust everything from the avatar's skin tone and facial features to their clothing and accessories. Want your avatar to look like a professional speaker in a suit? Or perhaps a casual YouTube personality in a hoodie? No problem. Select the avatar that best suits your preferences. Pick literally. Let's get started. Begin by searching for Leonardo AI. Log into your Leonardo AI account. If you don't have an account yet, I've provided a link in the description. Click on it to create one. Once logged in, a window will appear with various options. Locate and click on the image generation feature. Here you'll find several settings to configure. First, select the model. Choose lifelike vision. Next, select the generation mode. If you prioritize speed, you can select the fast mode, but note that the image quality might not be optimal. I recommend choosing quality mode. It takes a bit longer, but is absolutely worth the wait. Since we're creating an avatar for YouTube, set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and choose large for the size. Adjust the number of images to 4 for better selection options. With the settings configured, it's time to craft your prompt. After writing your prompt, click on Generate. The generation of our character will start, and after some time, our character is ready. And here it is. Really amazing and realistic. You can adjust the appearance of your character. For example, in your YouTube video, you cannot use character with same clothes again and again. Once your image is generated, now is time to change her appearance. For that, click on top right of the image on these 3 dots. Click on Copy Seed. After this, go to the Advanced settings. Make sure Photoreal option is turned on. Select the Leonardo Vision XL and paste the seed in this tab. Make adjustments in your prompt for changing the clothes. Seed is the ID of your generation. Because of this, we can use same face in different scenarios. Now again, click on Generate. Leonardo will generate same model in different appearances. You can create multiple images of the same model with this method. You can use this model as an avatar for YouTube video or as a model for Instagram. It's up to you. Now it's time to animate our character. For that, we will use DupDub, a powerful AI tool with different variety of features. Navigate to the DupDub website and log in to your account. If you don't already have an account, click the link provided in the description to create one. Once logged in, a new window will appear. Here you will see different features. High-quality text-to-speech. Conversion uses advanced AI models to convert text into realistic and expressive speech. Offers multiple voice styles, tones, and languages. Multilingual support supports a wide range of languages and accents, making it ideal for global audiences. Includes localized voices for better regional adaptability. Voice customization allows pitch, speed, and volume adjustments to match the tone of the content. Provides emotional tone settings like joyful, serious, or sad. Wide Voice Library features a diverse collection of male, female, and child voices. Offers synthetic voices and celebrity-style imitations. Batch processing enables bulk text-to-speech conversions, saving time for large projects. Supports multiple file formats for exporting audio files. Cloud-based and accessible, fully cloud-based platform accessible from anywhere. Requires no additional software installation. Audio export options provides high-quality audio downloads in MP3, WAV, and other formats. Allows direct integration with video editing software. SSML, speech synthesis, markup language. Support allows fine control over pauses, pronunciations, and emphasis for more natural speech output. Use cases versatility, suitable for e-learning, audiobooks, marketing, video voiceovers, and podcasts. Can be used for personal, commercial, and educational purposes. User-friendly interface. Intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface for users of all skill levels. Includes a real-time voice preview feature. AI-driven pronunciation adjustment. Automatically corrects mispronunciations and provides suggestions for tricky words. Secure and private ensures data security with encrypted processing. Adheres to privacy policies to protect user content. Affordable pricing plans. Offers flexible subscription options suitable for individuals and businesses. API integration provides APIs for seamless integration with third-party applications and tools. These features make DupDub a powerful solution for creating high-quality audio content quickly and efficiently. For video content, DupDub also provides different features. You can use multiple options according to your need. AI avatar features turns your avatar into a video, which can be used into your Instagram videos, YouTube videos, or for commercial ads. DupDub also provides video translation feature. Upload your video and DupDub will translate that video. You can download videos with the help of DupDub Video Downloader feature. DupDub also provides the feature of video editing. You can edit your videos with this AI tool. Now let's upload the avatar we made in Leonardo AI. For that, click on AI Avatar and click on Upload Face. Once you've uploaded your avatar, it's time to bring it to life. We provide 4 ways to add audio. You can choose from a diverse range of captivating accents and languages to make your avatar truly unique. All you need is a script. Alternatively, you can directly record audio by clicking the record button, which is simple and quick. Additionally, if you already have audio or video files, simply click Upload and we will automatically extract the audio for you. The added audio can also be previewed, replaced, or deleted. Now, let's make your avatar even more engaging. The all-new AI avatar feature not only supports single-character photos, but also supports multi-character photos and multi-round conversations. You can click on the avatar area in front of the audio track to add speakers, and you can also click on the voiceover icon in front of the script to change the AI voiceover. Finally, just click the Generate button in the top right corner, and you can look forward to the final work.
Hi, myself, Leah. I am an AI-generated character for YouTube videos.
AI Avatar helps bring photos to life, whether it's making holiday cards or creating audio content. AI Avatar can make the content more vivid and lively. So what are you waiting for? Experience the fun and charm that AI Avatar brings now. That's a wrap on today's video. With Leonardo AI and DupDub, creating a talking AI avatar has never been easier or more accessible. Whether you're looking to create professional video content, build a virtual assistant, or just experiment with digital characters, these tools offer everything you need to get started. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tutorials. Also, let me know in the comments, what kind of avatar would you create? And if you've tried either Leonardo AI or DupDub, share your experiences with us. Thanks for watching. Explore more tutorials. Subscribe for new videos.